Now that we have our blank Word document open, I'm going to ask you to open Word in the desktop app. If you go to the Editing menu and click down to Open in Desktop app, you'll see Word will open again. Now it may ask you to sign into your Office 365 account again. That's absolutely fine and normal. Okay, so that you can see our screen is slightly bigger here, and we have our quick access toolbar. So if you need to save or undo or redo, which is really, really helpful in case you've accidentally deleted text, you have those icons up the top of your screen. With the quick access toolbar, you can customize this to include anything that you're likely to want to do on a regular basis. So for me, I would have spelling and grammar turned on because I always want to check that I've spelled things correctly. And as you can see, we have the undo and redo. We also have the read aloud feature there, which can be quite helpful too. And if there's any other commands that you would like to have there, you can choose to add on more commands. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just type in a small piece of code, which will save us typing for the next 10 minutes. So we'll type in equals, R for Robert, A for Andy, N for Noel, D for David, and I'm going to use my round brackets. So to put in an open round bracket, I'm going to press Shift, which is the arrow pointing upwards, and the number 9, and Shift and the arrow pointing upwards again, and 0 for the closed bracket. Once I have that in and I press my return or enter key, I should get a nice big chunk of text which will let me play around with to demonstrate. Okay, so first of all, to select text. We select text in order to maybe format it, cut, copy, paste, all types of things like that. So to select a word, I'm just going to double click into a word. Most of you are probably just used to dragging over words, and that's absolutely fine too. But there's just a few handy extra tips. So by selecting a word, double click into it. If I want to select non-adjacent words that I might want to format different things throughout my document, I can just click throughout my document and select random words. And then I can choose to make them all a particular colour or font, etc. That saves me time going in individually and doing them. If I want to select a line of text, I can bring my mouse out into the margin of the page, and you'll notice that it changes from an I-beam to a white-headed arrow. Once I'm out in the margin area, if I click once, I can select a line. By clicking twice, I can select a paragraph. Or by clicking 3 times, I can select the entire document, even if it's 20, 100 pages, etc. Okay, another quick way of selecting your entire document is by pressing the Ctrl and the A key together. Once you have your text selected, you can then format it as you wish.